Bill Gates' story begins in Seattle, Washington, where a curious and highly intelligent boy named William Henry Gates III discovered his fascination with computers at a time when computers were rare, massive machines that few people understood. Born in 1955, young Bill showed early signs of determination and competitiveness, spending countless hours reading encyclopedias and challenging himself academically at Lakeside School, where his life changed forever after he first touched a computer terminal and became completely captivated by the power of programming, staying up late to write code, solve problems, and explore how software could control hardware, a passion that soon connected him with his close friend Paul Allen, who shared the same excitement for technology and big ideas. While most teenagers were unsure about their future, Bill and Paul envisioned a world where every home and every desk would have a computer, an idea that sounded unrealistic in the 1970s, yet they believed in it deeply. And when the Altair 8800 microcomputer was introduced, they seized the opportunity, contacting the manufacturer and boldly claiming they had developed a version of the basic programming language for it, even though they had not yet completed it, demonstrating Bill's fearless confidence and willingness to take calculated risks, a decision that led to the founding of Microsoft in 1975, a small company with a massive dream. Bill later enrolled at Harvard University, but found himself more drawn to coding and entrepreneurship than to traditional academics, eventually making the bold decision to drop out of Harvard to focus entirely on Microsoft, a choice that many considered risky and even foolish, yet it proved to be one of the most transformative decisions in modern business history, because Bill understood that opportunity does not wait. And when IBM needed an operating system for its personal computer in the early 1980s, Microsoft provided MS-DOS, a strategic move that positioned the company at the center of the rapidly growing personal computer revolution, turning Microsoft into a technology powerhouse and making Bill Gates one of the youngest self-made billionaires in the world. Throughout the 1980s and 1990s, under his intense leadership style, deep technical knowledge, and relentless focus on innovation, Microsoft introduced Windows, which brought graphical user interfaces to millions of people and changed how the world interacted with computers, transforming them from complicated machines for experts into accessible tools for students, families, and businesses, fulfilling Bill's original vision of a computer on every desk and in every home. However, success did not come without challenges, as Microsoft faced fierce competition, legal battles, and antitrust lawsuits, testing Bill's resilience and forcing him to adapt and grow not only as a business leader, but also as a global public figure. And over time, as his wealth increased beyond imagination, he began reflecting on a deeper question: what is the true purpose of success? This question led to one of the most significant transitions in his life, as he gradually stepped away from day-to-day operations at Microsoft and shifted his focus toward philanthropy, co-founding the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, which became one of the largest private charitable foundations in the world, dedicated to improving global health, reducing extreme poverty, expanding educational opportunities, and combating diseases such as malaria and polio, proving that impact is more meaningful than income and that innovation can extend far beyond business into humanity itself. Through the foundation's work, billions of dollars have been invested in vaccines, healthcare systems, agricultural development, and education initiatives, saving and improving millions of lives worldwide, demonstrating that the same strategic thinking that built a technology empire could also be used to solve some of the world's toughest problems. Bill Gates' journey teaches powerful lessons about curiosity, discipline, long-term vision, and the courage to take risks, reminding us that success begins with a deep passion for learning and the willingness to dedicate thousands of hours to mastering a craft, that setbacks and criticism are part of growth, and that true leadership is not just about building wealth, but about creating opportunities for others. From a teenager fascinated by code to a pioneer of the digital age and one of the world's most influential philanthropists, Bill Gates exemplifies how dreaming big, thinking logically, working relentlessly, and giving generously can transform not only a life, but the entire world. leaving us with a simple yet powerful message. The future belongs to those who dare to imagine it, build it, and then use their success to lift others along the way.